Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some nutty noodle nests for this Easter. And I want to do a quick shout out to my mother-in-law who sent us this recipe and has been doing this for a lot of years with her kids. So what you'll need are some Chinese noodles, some butterscotch chips, some jelly beans or robin eggs, and some wax paper, and then a plate to put them on. The first thing you'll do is heat up the butterscotch chips. I've used an entire bag of these and put them on the stove over a pot of boiling water. You'll then just continue stirring until they're completely melted. You can also put them in the microwave for every 20 or 30 seconds and stir them in between to make sure that they're completely melted. At this point, it started getting really hot with the steam, so I put an oven mitt on so I wouldn't get burned. Once the chips are completely melted, you can take them off of the heat and bring them over to your table or counter and start adding the Chinese noodles. I have just added them slowly here so that I can kind of see how many I need and how much more to make a good ratio between the butterscotch chips and the Chinese noodles. As you're stirring these, make sure that you aren't stirring too hard so that you don't crush up the noodles that are going to make up the nest. You can then get your wax paper out so that you can dump the butterscotch and noodle mix onto it. And this is just one of the many jelly beans and candies made during the process of making these, which is most of the fun. You can then scoop all of the mixture onto wax paper. I ended up moving the wax paper off of the plate so that I could add more there to actually create the nests on it. This part is pretty easy and self-explanatory. You'll just take whatever size you want for the nests and you don't really have to shape them too much because they're kind of messy little nests, but you can just grab as much as you want and set it on the wax paper. This could be fun for little ones to do. My little one wanted to just add the eggs to it, and so I did this part. As you can see, there's just a little bit left of the melted butterscotch chips, so I'm just coating a little bit more of those Chinese noodles in it to make the last nutty noodle nest. Once those are shaped, you can start adding your eggs to them. We used robin eggs and jelly beans, but you can add whatever type of candy you would like to. These ones just resembled eggs the most. Are you gonna put out one of these?
No.
Can we do another one?
Watermelon.
Pink one. You can eat it. You ate a pink one? Some of our nests had 3 candies, some had 2, and some of them even had 1. I think the ones with 3 look more like little nests with eggs in them. However, I like the ones without candy or very much candy on top, and so I prefer the ones with just 1 candy. But it makes it fun with a different assortment of numbers of candies on top of them. Once they're finished, you can walk them over to the fridge and put them in there to cool so that they can get hardened. One for you, one for Mama. They are delicious and so fun to make, especially with little kids. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you can become a part of our YouTube family. Happy Easter and hope you have a good day. Bye. Bye.